Hi, my name is Ali Rouzati. Welcome to Rugs in a Moment. There are many reasons as to why clients choose to go the custom route. If the standard rug sizes do not fulfill the proper spacing and design needs of your space, then ordering a custom rug is a good idea. Also, if you are looking to alter a specific rug by swapping colors, or by changing its shape or composition, or even if you want to make your own rug and completely customize each aspect of it to create something special and unique, then custom carpets are the right choice for you. The most common method is finding a pattern or design that you like and changing the colors in them using color palms. Each color palm contains a code that is used universally among all rug vendors and manufacturers. For example, let's say that you're interested in this particular design, but want to alter this lighter blue tone to a darker blue color. Through the many choices of color palms, you would select one option that is the closest to what you desire, and we'd notify our manufacturer to make this alteration in a rendering. Once a rendering has been made and accepted by the client, then we would have a small 2x3 foot sample woven and shipped to us so that we can see how the alteration would look in person. Once the sample has been approved by you, then we would go forth with the ordering of the specific size, color, and design of the customized rug that you'd like to order. When the sample has been woven and shipped to us, we'll notify you that your rug has arrived and schedule a time to deliver and install it in your home. On average, it takes about 3 months to complete once it has been ordered. The reason that it takes so long is because a new loom needs to be made for custom sizes, and any alteration in terms of design and color would take more effort for the weaver and the manufacturer to prepare properly. However, custom projects with a deadline can be done sooner through a rush order, but that generally requires an extra fee for the project to be placed as a priority. Yes, they are, but not by a large margin. It's apparent that you'll have to pay more for these customizations, but they're priced reasonably well when compared to a standard order. If you'd like to inquire about our custom pricing, feel free to contact us through email at rouzatirugs@gmail.com or by calling us at 847-328-0000. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.